need y'all to fuck this up for me, okay? For real. I know some of y'all looking at us comedians like we not gonna make it in life. Y'all not either. Whatever the fuck y'all trying to do, you know. Ain't shit funny when these niggas ain't laughing at these jokes for real. Right. Let me go home and work this overtime real quick. Y'all got too many exes down here. Y'all exes got exes for real. Shit, Grandma had a fucking wreck the other day. Then niggas don't want to let you over. This shit crazy. Any of y'all stay with y'all parents? Just me? Hey, y'all living paycheck to paycheck while I'm living my best life. I got my passport. I'm straight. The only thing I don't fuck with about living with my parents is when I be on the phone with a bitch, my mom be loud enough in the background so the female will hear her. Don't forget to brush your teeth. I'm like, bro, what the fuck is you doing, fool? She like, you stay with your mom? I said,